Welcome to your mat. My name is Alysia. Today I'm going to bring you 5 movements that when added to your physical asana practice can create a ton of flexibility, mobility, and strength. It will help build up endurance. You can take these movements into your Vinyasa flow, your power flow, or rep them out drill style, whatever feels best in your body. Let's go ahead and get started. Start with exercise number 1, face the top of your mat. Come to your shins, tuck your toes under, place your hands to your thighs. This might have a proper name, but I'm not sure what it's called, so we'll call it the front line opener. Inhale, lift up to your knees, press your hips forward, bring your arms out in front of you. Exhale, sit your hips back, pick up your knees in unison, balance, drop your heels to the floor. Inhale, drop your knees, lift your hips, press forward. Exhale, sit your hips to your heels, pick up your knees, balance, drop your heels to the floor. Inhale, rock and lift up. Exhale, sit back. 2 more, inhale, lift up. Exhale, sit back. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, sit back and pause. Pause here in this tucked and curled position. Press your thighs into your ribs. Sit your hips down to the floor. Walk your feet out in front of you. Movement number 2, come to a reverse tabletop. Bring your fingers beside your back, behind your hips. Point your fingers forward or slightly out to a catty corner angle. Press your feet down, hip width distance. Inhale, reverse tabletop, pick your hips up. Exhale, drag your hips through your hands, straighten your legs. Inhale, lift up, open the front of your shoulders. Exhale, draw your hips back and through. 3 more, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Lift up. Drop your hips to the floor. Movement number 3, part your feet to mat width distance. Shift your weight back, find your sits bones. Bring your hands to your chest. Take a deep breath in. And exhale, root into your feet. This is a little hip mobility drill. Drop both knees to your left. Pick your bottom up, thrust your hips forward. Drop your hips to the floor. Windshield over to the right side. Lift your hips, thrust forward and back. Let's call this the hip thruster. Move to your left and to the right. To the left. To the right. One more each side, up to the left, to the right, and release. Cross your ankles, come over to a tabletop position. Exercise number 4 is knee to upper arm. Starting on your forearms, come to a dolphin pose. Press your forearms into the ground, press your palms down. Tuck your toes under, lift your hips, straighten your legs. Walk your toes in towards your elbows. Inhale, 3-legged dolphin, reach your right leg high. Exhale, bring your right knee into your right armpit. Inhale, 3-legged dolphin. Exhale, right knee to your right armpit. Inhale, 3-legged dolphin. Exhale, knee to your armpit. 2 more, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, 3-legged dolphin. Exhale, release your right foot. Pick up your left leg, breathe in. Exhale, knee to your armpit. Inhale, lift. Exhale, crunch. 3 more, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, lift. Exhale, release. Drop your knees to the floor. Make your way onto your back. Come onto your back for our final movement or a hollow body hold. Draw your knees into your chest. Lengthen your tailbone down. Press your shoulder blades into the floor. Get your body set up. And then lift up through your shoulders. Bring your arms alongside of your hips. Flatten out your low back. Press your spine into your mat. Keep your hollow body in your low back. Straighten out your legs. Stay here or reach your arms up overhead. Hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release into a long body stretch. And rise up to your seat. There you have it. Those are 5 movements to incorporate into your daily asana practice, whether you throw them in throughout your flow or drill them out. They can be done in repetitions, rounds, 3 sets of 3, 3 sets of 5. You can go by seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds. Those motions build heat very quickly in your body, will work a ton of mobility and flexibility, and take you really into the strength that you already have. Have fun. Enjoy your practice.